Hi everyone, this is Leslie Hardman. I teach in the Department of Occupational Science and Occupational Therapy at EKU, and I've worked with children and families for many years, and today I just wanted to share my favorite recipe for Play-Doh. This is a high quality Play-Doh. It really is similar to what you'd buy in the store, and it's worth using all the ingredients that I'm going to show you and share the recipe with you. I've giving you some ideas for scenting it. It's nice to have a nice smell to it, and I'm going to take you through that recipe. Like I said, this is my favorite recipe for scented Play-Doh. It's a high quality Play-Doh, and I have the recipe here, and we'll make sure you have the link for that. You're going to need a half a cup of salt, a cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cream of tartar. That's probably the priciest item here, and you can usually find it inexpensively at Aldi or Big Lots. You're going to use 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I usually just use the basic vegetable oil. You could use canola or corn oil if that's what you have. It's not a big deal. You're going to use 1 cup of boiling water, and I'm going to fill that right to the 1 cup line. Make sure I get that there. All right, and you're going to use coloring. I like to use the paste color just because I happen to have some of that on hand, but if you have the regular food coloring, that's fine. Make sure it's food quality. It doesn't matter, you just don't need as much of the paste. And then to make it scented, you want to use these nice food grade oils. This is not the same thing as essential oils. These are food grade that you could eat. They're edible. I like peppermint. I've done some with cinnamon oil. You can also use extracts like lemon or orange extract. So those are the basic items that you're going to use. So we're going to fill our bowl with the dry ingredients first. All right, and you're going to stir those up, mix those up well. Like anything, you just want to mix it well, be patient. This part your child can do with you. You just want to make sure and do the boiling water yourself. Okay, now the instructions say make a well. All that means is make it like a lake in the middle. And then in that well, you're going to put your tablespoon of vegetable oil, your food coloring, hard time doing this with one hand. All right, food coloring, you're going to need a whole bunch of drops. It takes more of the food coloring liquid than it does of the paste, but like I say, it'll turn out well with either one. It takes more if you want a darker color. All right, so then the last thing I'm going to do before I pour in the water is I'm going to put just a couple of drops of this peppermint oil in there. Not much at all. It's amazing how strong that is. All right, don't stir anything. Now I'm going to take that 1 cup of boiling water and pour that in just slowly. All right, and you're going to think, oh my gosh, this isn't going to work at all, but it really does work well. All right, so I'm going to stir this up. And, all right, I'm stirring it up. Don't give up. You're going to think, oh no, I'm going to have to add more flour. Don't, just keep stirring it.